Hi guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my face, and I'm really going to massage it into my skin. And remember that when applying this serum, you do want to go ahead and apply it before your moisturizer and before your primer to get the best results. Alright, so now that I've gone ahead and massaged that in there like a mad woman, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I am using the Marc Jacobs primer, which is the Invisible Perfecting Coconut Face Primer, which I must say I love, absolutely love this primer. It's super creamy. You can actually use it as a moisturizer as well and a primer, so you get kind of like a 2-in-1, so it is perfect for that. Now, one thing I will say, when using this primer, you want to make sure you do your eyebrows beforehand because it does leave your skin super soft. And you already know the deal. For my eyes, I am going to prime them using the MAC Prep and Prime Highlighter. As always, this is the color Light Boost. And then, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with a beauty blender and just go over it with my translucent powder. I am using the Laura Mercier powder, so I do like to apply this powder with a tapered brush. I just feel like it gives me a better application. Once I go ahead and do that, I do like to go in with a powder brush just to blend everything out. By the way, the tapered brush that I'm using is the pointed taper brush, and it's from ABH Cosmetics. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. I am going to be using the color Bon Fresco. At least I think that's what it's called. And as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my right over my crease, I should say, with a blending brush. And that's just going to start off as my transition shade. I am going to do that really light because I don't want it to be too harsh. Alright, and then using a shadow brush, I am going to be taking the color Tempera and applying it right on the lid. I am going to pack that on there, and that's going to serve kind of like that base so that I can apply my following color. Now, of course, you already know the deal. Once I've gone ahead and applied that on there, I am going to go ahead and blend it out because I do not want any harsh lines. I want everything to look very seamless and very natural. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that using a blending brush. Okay, so once I've gone ahead and blended that out, I'm going to take the color Vermeer. I think it's pronounced Vermeer. I'm going to take a synthetic brush and I will spray it with Fix Plus. I am going to go ahead and pack this color onto my lid. I want it to look super shimmery and very bright. So pretty much I'm just going to pack it on my lid. I'm going to make sure to blend everything out and then apply a little bit more. I just want it to look very natural, seamless, but I do also want it to be very vibrant and very shimmery. Okay, so once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to take the color Primavera and I'm going to apply it as well using a synthetic brush to the center of my lid. And that's just going to create some dimension in the eye, and it's going to kind of make it like a focal point. So it looks a little bit more natural. And of course, like always, you already know the deal, nothing changes. Once you've done that, just blend everything out because we don't want no harsh lines. Okay, so I am going to be applying some false lashes with this look later on. But for now, I am going to be applying foundation. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Full Coverage Concrete Foundation. I use the shade Beige Golden, which is 36. I must say this foundation is so full coverage. And you really don't have to apply that much because, trust me, a little bit does go a long way. Alright, so once I've gone ahead and blended that out, like always, I am going to be concealing and highlighting. I am using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Once again, this is the shade Custard, which is medium 1. I do love this concealer. It has become one of my new favorites because it's so creamy and it does last all day. Once I go ahead and apply that on my face, you already know the deal. I am going to go ahead and blend that out using a beauty blender, which this concealer is so easy to blend out with a beauty blender. Is not even funny. And then, of course, to set everything, I'm going to be using the Mercier powder just to make sure that that stays nice and fresh all day. Okay, so I did forget to show the mascara that I was using, but I am using the Buxom Mascara. This is the color Black is Black. This has been one of my favorite mascaras since I was in high school, so it is a throwback mascara for me, but is one of my favorites, and it never fails me. And, of course, I did apply some false lashes with this look. I remember I used the Ardell ones. I don't remember exactly which ones it was. Alright, so do I even have to give a description of this anymore? You already know I can't leave the house without contouring. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I always use the medium to tan palette. So, yeah, you already know the deal. So now to apply the blush, I am going to be using the BH Cosmetics Professional blush palette. This is the 10 color blush palette. I'm just going to be taking that very peachy tone and, of course, applying it to my cheekbones. So I've been super excited to talk about this product. This is the Marc Jacobs Do You Coconut Gel Highlighter. It's super golden. It's so nice and rich. I'm going to be using this to highlight my cheekbones as well as the bridge of my nose. I do find that to blend this out, I definitely do have to use a beauty blender. I don't think it's going to blend out as good using a brush. So that is my only thing about it. You definitely do have to use a beauty blender. And once again, once I've blended that out, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sugar Kit. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight over that. Of course, because I'm just so extra. And then I'm just going to make sure to blend everything out with my fan brush. Alright, and lastly, I'm just going to be applying some lipstick. I am using a MAC lipstick. This is the shade Nouvelle Vogue, which is a matte lipstick. Then I'm going to be going over it with a lip gloss. This lip gloss is going to be from Bare Minerals. This is the Marvelous Moxie collection and is the color Live Wire. Alright guys, so that will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and to hit that notification bell. Bye guys.